Hi guys, I'm gonna do what's in my fridge and freezer video. So let's get started.
Hey girl.
Hush. So this is on my outside of my fridge and freezer. This is the inside. Okay, so that is ice pack. So I have corn dogs, pizza, hamburger, butter, sausages, bread, lost my train of thought. Fries, hot dogs, rocks, some ice cream bars, and ice. That was my freezer, and this is my fridge. And this is my fridge. I got a jar of baby food, some frosting, some pudding, cheese, that, and more of that, some of that, and all those down there. On this side, I have pop, that, some microwavable bacon, this, that, garbage, that, teething rings, a juice for the baby, some cottage cheese, some pop, some milk, eggs, juice, more pudding, and yeah, it was a really retarded, lost my train of thought kind of video, but here you go. Fridge and freezer.
How about this?
And guess they made that.